The 3D modeling drones use the so-called photogrammetry as the basic technology. That means we're sending out about 5 drones, very fast little drones who scan the area along pre-programmed flight route. And along each flight route, they take hundreds of photos stored on SD cards, memory cards on the drone. Usually it takes about 30 minutes to receive a so-called orthomap. That means it's a very detailed map from a bird's eye view of the area. And after about 2 hours of calculation, we have a 3D model of every house, every building of the landscape that we've flown over.